Hello everyone! One Cook Greek is back on tracks and is planning a new adventure for your traditional Greek cooking list. Remember to subscribe and share everything on the web. I need your positive feedback. Well, today we'll cook something that would be everyone's first choice from a long buffet. Yep, you guessed right, it's meat. But what a piece! No more waiting, raise the volume and follow the steps. Pot roast beef in a thick mushroom sauce. I can smell the success. Usually in Greece, we prefer to cook beef in red sauce and spaghetti, but this is another story. Today, I will be demonstrating the official version. A pressure cooker like that will help finish the job faster. In any case, you can use a pot with a cap covering it, but you must be checking the water level frequently. When you are at the butcher's house, ask for an eye of round piece. They used to call it top rump too. That specific meat part varies in weight depending on the size of the animal. 1200 grams to 1.5 kilo is just perfect for 4 to 6 shares. It is very important to place it into a twine net. Take a look at the ingredients before we start. One big onion, 4 pieces of garlic, 300 to 500 grams of white agaricus mushrooms, 2 tablespoons with cornflour spirit, the juice from 2 lemons, 1.5 if they are too juicy, a chicken cube, some oregano, 4 pieces of pimento, 2 medium laurel leaves, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Starting, put the kettle onto the hot plate and pour in the olive oil. Cut the onion and the garlic into small cubes. Throw them in when the olive oil is in deep frying temperature. You can throw in the pimento too. Let them fry for 2 minutes. Now it's the right time to add the meat. Be careful, do not remove the net. We need that beautiful round shape of it, and after all, in the end, the meat will be cooked evenly from all sides. Let it there and overturn until all its surface gets a slightly burnt golden color. Great! Now you're sure that you sealed all its flavors and scents inside. The next step is to put in the water. It is very important not to overdo it. Put as much as to cover the 4/5 of the meat, and the kettle will do the rest of the job. Add the laurel leaves in, some oregano, salt, and pepper. Well, that's it pretty much. Decrease the heat by 20% and cover the kettle. Let it simmer for 35 minutes. There's still a small job we need to do while waiting. Exactly, prepare the mushrooms. Wash them out diligently and let them strain for 10 minutes. I prefer mine large, so I'll cut them in 4. If they are too big, cut them to more pieces. Amazing! 35 minutes have already passed and we must open the pressure cooker. See that? The meat seems to be ready, but it is not. The sauce has that velvety texture too, but needs some more work. Place the big piece onto a cutting board and let it cool for a few minutes. Get the scissors and remove the net. You definitely can't fish with it now. The mushrooms will go swimming into the pot. Pour the lemon juice into a glass with hot water and add the chicken cube in. Stir until the special mix is ready. We'll move them into the kettle too. Now you will need a really sharp or an electric knife to slice the meat. Start cutting the shears in a slightly diagonal angle like this. The net markings will be a great help and will guide you through. This is the main reason we wanted the meat half done. In another case, the cut would be unsuccessful. See the pink color at its core? This is just perfect. Notice there's lots of liquids coming out on the process. Do not throw these away. Put the stuff back into the pot along with the flat shears. Add some water if it's needed. Now we must wait until the excessive water evaporates. It has to simmer for another 40 to 50 minutes without capping the kettle. The meat should be ready by now. Place it on a plate and let it rest for some minutes. Meanwhile, we'll be finalizing the sauce. As you can see, there's a 3 fingers height liquid left in here. Lower the heat to the middle and pour the cornflour in. 2 spoons. Start mixing continuously with a whisk until the sauce thickens a bit and looks gravy. That's all, friends, you're good to go! Remove the kettle from the fire and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Big show-off moment, people! Pot roast beef in a thick mushroom sauce. You can serve with rice or French fries. A green salad would suit perfect too. Not much time for a delicious dish like this. The official version of a traditional plate.